And so the little boy didn't understand why he had feathers, why he had a beak, why he had talons. He wasn't a chicken when he woke up. Why was he now exhibiting all of the characteristics of a chicken? And so he went off to live in the chicken coop with his new family. The end. Wow. Happy that book is over. I'm not usually critical of children's books, but that was disappointing. Okay, kids, it's time for your nap. So go get your blankets and let's get going.
Excuse me, Miss Teacher. I don't feel well.
Ew, don't cough on me. Sorry, let's see how you feel after a nap.
Okay. Don't you dare make me sick. I won't. Better not.
All right, children, silencio. Let's drift off to Slumberville.
Miss Teacher, I don't feel well.
Well, I told you if after your nap
My face is itchy.
you have the pox.
Excuse me, Miss Teacher. My face feels bumpy.
Oh no.
And a little itchy. You have red dots on your face. You have red dots on your face.
You both have red dots on your face. Ah!
What are you guys all screaming about? I don't have red dots on my face. Yeah, you do. Oh Guys, I had a terrible dream. It's about all of us turning into chickens. Something like that. Like in the book? That book was ridiculous. The teacher needs a CPAP machine. Excuse me, Miss Teacher, are you feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Why?